I'm recording. Here we go. I'm recording.
Okay, so we're going to full throttle and flight speed.
Okay, flight speed.
Good now.
That's good.
And it's going to do this and turn around and come back.
Okay.
Like I said, I'm just doing a little bit of hovering. Sounds good. Got good response. I'm sitting right at about 60 grams stick where I can hold my hover, so that's good. Oh, that wind from the back.
Yep.
Push it a little bit, even though it's a heavy body.
Yep. I'm going to do just a little bit of right and take off. Okay.
Well, she's doing good, man.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, she's gonna fly good, even as heavy as she is. 14.8 volts, I got 2 more volts to go. Yeah, tail's good right now. Tail's really responsive.
That's good.
That's me doing all that. Turns off. This thing is 14.8 volts for a long time. So I've gone 14.6 in a row. There we go. 14.6. Sorry, let's back up. I'm going to let you see.
Okay. All right.
Yep.